Hi everyone, today's headlines. DC Dimapur unseals area. 4 out of 5 deaths due to COVID-19. Health and Family Welfare clarified. Dimapur Private Hospital urged to install TrueNet. 10% test positive for COVID-19 in Fujairah town. Kohima extortion and robbery topped the chart among cases registered at North Police Station. Awo Imkum Village Council releases 20 returnees. Colony Sanitation Committee formed in Dimapur. DC Dimapur unseals area. Deputy Commissioner DC Dimapur Anup Kinji has ordered unsealing of house number 15, ward number 18 Ziliangrung Colony Dobinala Dimapur and nearby building in view of all the household members of the house number 15 being tested for COVID-19 and result found negative. 4 out of 5 deaths due to COVID-19. Health and Family Welfare clarified. Health and Family Welfare Department on Tuesday disclosed that out of 5 deaths reported in Dimapur, 4 had died due to COVID-19. The department further said that one person was died at paid quarantine center in Dimapur, had tested positive for COVID-19, but the death was not related to COVID-19. Dimapur private hospitals urged to install TrueNet. The Deputy Commissioner DC Dimapur Anup Kinji in a letter to President Nagaland Private Doctors Association requested all private hospitals under Dimapur district to seek approval from the government for setting up TrueNet testing machines in their respective hospitals. In order to ensure safety of all and as a precautionary measures, patients coming to private hospitals for treatment can be screened, an official said. 10% test positive for COVID-19 in Fujairah town. 10% tested positive for COVID-19 in Fujairah town in Phek district on Tuesday, out of which 7 were frontline workers and the remaining 3 were family members of one of the frontline worker as per official source. Early on July 23, one frontline worker from a facility quarantine center at Fujairah had tested positive for COVID-19, taking the current frontline workers tally in the region to 8. A source informed that retest of the frontline workers at BSL-3 lab in Kohima had returned positive. Kohima extortion and robbery topped the chart among cases registered at North Police Station. Extortion and robbery topped the chart among the cases registered at North Police Station in Kohima this year, with the 2 accounting for 20 out of 30 total cases recorded so far, informed a police officer. He said that extortion and robbery cases were followed by theft and forgery, and that 4 to 5 cases in connection with extortion and robbery have already been registered at the police station in the last 2 months. According to the officer, most of the cases were operations conducted by the police without receiving formal complaints, citing the example of cases like the highway robbery at Lower PWD and below NBCC Hall, where miscreants were caught extorting money at construction sites. Awo Imkum Village Council releases 20 returnees. The Awo Imkum Village Council ABC on Tuesday stated that they have released 20 returnees from their quarantine huts so far. In an update, the ABC informed that 15 quarantine huts constructed 5 feet apart were built by the council without financial assistance from outside. All necessary facilities like attached toilet, running water, 24 hours power backup with generator have been provided in each of the huts, it read, adding that more returnees would be arriving in the next few days. Colony Sanitation Committee formed in Dimapur. A meeting on the proper disposal of used masks, gloves and PPE kits was held at Lota Hoho Ki in Dimapur on July 25. The meeting comprised of the Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur, Anup Kinji DMC Administrator, Albert Izang, and all the colony chairman and GBs within Dimapur Municipal Council. A DIPR update informed on Tuesday. During the meeting, the House also decided to form a colony sanitation committee to streamline and assist DMC in sanitation work, it stated. Further, the meeting discussed the importance of proper hygiene, social distancing and cooperation of all to prevent the spread of COVID-19. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.